Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting new product to discuss. Xiaomi's latest innovation, the 5-watt solar panel for the BW series outdoor camera. Stick around as we dive into the details of this compact yet powerful solar panel that's set to revolutionize outdoor camera setups. Let's get started. Xiaomi has just unveiled a game-changer for outdoor surveillance, the 5-watt solar panel for the BW series outdoor camera. This small yet mighty solar panel is designed to provide continuous power to your outdoor cameras, ensuring they stay operational without the need for frequent battery changes or power outlets. With its compact design and efficient energy conversion, it's perfect for enhancing your home security setup. Equipped with IP66 waterproof protection, it's durable and reliable in various weather conditions. Whether you own the Xiaomi BW300 or BW500 outdoor cameras, this solar panel is compatible and ready to keep your devices powered up and recording. Let's talk about what makes this solar panel so special. First off, it boasts a 5-watt capacity, which is incredibly efficient at converting solar energy into power. This means your outdoor camera can operate longer, capturing important footage without interruption. Made of monocrystalline silicon, known for its high efficiency and durability, the panel also includes a 3-meter cable for flexible positioning to maximize sunlight exposure. Plus, the USB-C waterproof connector ensures safe and secure charging, preventing potential leaks. Installing the Xiaomi outdoor camera solar panel is a breeze. The package includes everything you need: mounting brackets, a positioning sticker, an expansion screw tether, and screws. An instruction manual guides you through the process. The solar panel measures 218 by 178 by 16 millimeters, compact enough for various locations around your home or business. With an operating temperature range of -20 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius, it can withstand extreme weather conditions, ensuring your camera stays powered regardless of the environment. The 3-meter extension cord allows you to find the perfect spot for installation while maintaining a secure connection to the camera. Durability is key for outdoor equipment, and Xiaomi ensures high standards with this solar panel. The IP66 waterproof protection makes it resistant to water and dust, suitable for various climates. The waterproof connecting cable prevents any liquid from penetrating during operation, ensuring functionality, even in heavy rain or snow. Robust construction and quality materials mean this solar panel will last for years, providing a reliable power source for your outdoor surveillance needs. Currently, Xiaomi hasn't released official details on the launch date and price of the BW300 and BW500 outdoor cameras or the solar panel. However, it's expected soon. It's still unclear whether the new Xiaomi outdoor camera solar panel will be compatible with other Xiaomi products. We'll keep you updated as more information becomes available. In the meantime, if you're looking for a dependable power solution for your outdoor cameras, keep an eye out for this innovative solar panel from Xiaomi.